Good afternoon and namaskar for all of you who are listening to me and my friends too. Uh, Today also I am coming to teach you English subject for grade 8. Dear friends, I think all of you are ready to read English subject, so that I think all of you already have opened your book and you are ready to study. Dear friends, I like to request you before I start the lesson that due to coronavirus again and again it is hitting for us, so that you have to stay safe, you have to be about coronavirus, because it will make us, or it will give us more problems. So that also now also we are teaching to you from at our home now. It means like quarantine, by sitting alone, and we are teaching to you, so that dear students, you also have to be safe. Be safe, because if you get suffer from coronavirus, then it would be more problem for us. So, by requesting you, I like to start our lesson also. So, dear students, last time we had studied about the visitor's guide to Pokhara. It means leaflet. About leaflet last time we had studied. And again now, today I like to remind you that how can we write a leaflet. Do you get the idea, and do you have any problem? Last time that I said to you also that you have to prepare one leaflet about your village or about your school, anything else like that. So I hope so that all of you already you have done that and you have not any problem. Do you have? I think not so. So if you have understood about that leaflet, then here is one exercise in page number 22 in your book also. Please, you have to turn over your book, and if you take out book copy and if you write, it would be better to you. Here in page number 22, in 3 number it is written here, produce a well-designed leaflet of the place it is written here. Have you already done it? I think already you have done. If you have not done it, then you have to do it. It would be better if you do it, okay? So, now today I like to start Unit 3. In Unit 3, Business and Commerce it is. All of we know that business and commerce are not easily that business and commerce, both they are related ones. Business we have heard, as commerce also it is related to business one. Business means something we have to exchange, that like something if we go in a shop, then we will give their money and they will provide us whatever we have needed, that they provide for us. And really by the business we get some profit. If there is profit, then we do their business. In business, that there would be just not only profit only, sometimes it can be loss too. So the business and commerce both are very essential thing for us in our life, because if we do business, then only we can earn there some money. If we earn there some money, then after that only our life we can make comfort. Whatever is needed that we can buy by the money. Yes, so that all of us we know that if we have money, then there would be everything. Yes, so that we have to do business. It means now here that in this lesson, now here are some questions. Look at there. What are the people doing in the picture? And second number question is there, is interview a good method to get information? Yeah, two questions are here. Now, by looking the picture, also we can get there some idea, isn't it? Yeah, that let's see here. What are the people doing in the picture? It means maybe one lady is there, one girl is there, yeah, and she has their like mobile phone. She is catching there, and one man is there. He is asking something else with her, like that. And next question is here, is interview a good method to get information? It means that if we take an interview, by interview we can get their information really, that if we ask there something is that which is related to that sector, which field, for which field we are demanding people about that field. If we ask their questions, then we will get their information that which one is or is able or not. Yeah, like that way we can get their information. So that there is for business and commerce to make it successful. How can we make successful? Yeah, for that one we should know the ideas. So dear friends, who you are studying in class 8, from class 8 we will provide you such ideas that how can we be a successful person. Okay, this lesson will provide you information about the business and commerce. Now let's see here what is here in the passage. Okay, let's see in page number 24. In page number 24, B number study, read the text and answer these questions. What is business? Yes. One question is here, what is business? Second number is, how do people progress in business? Both questions are very much important ones. Now, you don't know the meaning, let's say that the answer, what is business and how do people progress in business, maybe you don't have ideas for this. If you don't have idea about this, then here an interview with a local business person here is given. Yeah, that a business person, how can he or she be an able business person? By business, how can we earn more money or profit? About this one, we have to know. Let's see here that what is here in the lesson of it. Now, in lesson here, that interview is here. It means that some person, that some students, they are asking some questions with businessman, and businessman is giving their answer on what they are asking. About that, he is giving their answer. It means now, let's look here that a businessman, a successful businessman, how can we be that he is giving here some ideas. Okay. So let's, I will study here, try to understand. Okay. You also have to look at the book properly and try to pronounce the word correctly, try to find out the meaning. If you do not know the meaning, then some words meaning which are difficult to you, I'll tell to you. Okay. I will start you lesson here, page number 24, you have to do vocation. Are you ready? Okay, I think all of you are ready here. Some students of grade 8 were assigned the task of interviewing a local business person for their school magazine. Let's see here that assigned mean homework it is. Yeah? Assigned homework it is given here that for students of grade 8, and now they are going to ask their some questions for a business person that what they are asking here questions. Let's see here. Yeah? And same thing that whatever they ask here and they will test it in the school magazine. Yeah, that's why let's hear. They went to meet the business person. He welcomed them. It means business person welcomed them. Yeah, that would some students. All four students were there with tea and snacks. Let's see there that with tea and snacks they got. And they told him why they wanted to meet him. That they went there and they stayed there. Now we are coming here to ask you such a question like this way we are coming, like that way they said there. And the young business person, a self-made man, was happy and ready to answer their questions. Now what questions they would ask? He was ready to give the answer. Now that Kamala, one strong, her turn was there at the beginning and at first, and she asked a question. What question she asked there? Let's see. Would you mind telling us about your childhood and primary education? Now that, how was your childhood? Yeah, and primary education. How did you study in primary level? That about that. Kamala she asked, and business person gave their answer. Let's see there. Of course, my childhood was very normal and happy. My parents were farmers, so they were very hardworking. Though they were uneducated, they sent me to a reputed school. They never said no to my request. Let's see what was the condition there. That business person, that father, mother, they were not educated, but also that that man, businessman, wherever he said there to go to study, they said there every time, okay, you can go. Like that way, parents were there. Now, they do, she is asking there another question. How was your school life during primary level? How you were in school level, in primary level? That she asked there. And business person, he gave their answer like this. Teachers were helpful, yet strict too. Yeah, we never felt bored in the school because there was a music class every day. Look how was there. Music class every day it was. And library classes 3 times a week. Look, that library classes 3 times a week. It means Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. In 6 days, 3 days library classes. Every day music classes. How it was there. Very interesting, very nice was there. Yeah? And now, let's see here. Adequate sports material also fulfilled the demands of all interested ones. It means sufficient sport material were there. Everything was there that whatever they wanted to play, they would get there. May once you have to imagine how was his school, and is there your school too like that? Okay. I think sometime you would demand that to your head sir, principal sir, also sir, you have to bring this, that, now we want to play. Yeah, like that, yeah. And now let's see there that whatever they wanted, they were getting there, yeah. that to play. How nice was there that school, school that administration they were provided. Ambika is asking there, were you particularly interested in any game? You were also interested in any game? That he asked there. And business person is saying there that yes, I was interested in table tennis. He was interested in table tennis. Do you like? Maybe you also like it. And maybe it is not at your school too. If it is not at your school, you also have to say sometimes you have to demand to your principal sir or head sir. Okay. Let's next thing. I like to say here, Bimala is asking their next question. Let's what she is asking here. Please tell us how you came to be involved in business. Now that how you came in business. That when you were very small, when you were a child, your father, mother, or grandfather, grandmother, they were also businessmen, so that you come in business, or how do you come that in this field? Until my SLC level, that after SLC level, when you was reading, you was not thinking anything. When I joined the management stream in class 11, my interest in business gradually began to increase. It means that when he started to study in management, that management college is joined there, and after that he started to interest in that. From business related families, look that how was the environment also. Other friends were there, other friends were from business family. Now that next turn is here, that Kamala again is coming, and Kamala is asking, could you tell us what business is? It means that what is business? Can you tell us? Now that business person is giving their answer. It is an activity supplying goods or services or both to people to make up. That it is service also. And it is one sort of that supplying goods also. Supplying goods, giving service for people and getting their profit. Profit is the sole aim of business. It means profit must be in business. If profit is not there in business, business will not be success, and we will be in loss. Like that. So that you also have to think for your life. That not now, that maybe some of you are from business family also, that your father, mother, or grandfather, grandmother, they are doing their business. Like as same, maybe you are also coming, but all of you are not coming from such family. So anyway, to earn and to give service, that we need to be involved in business. So now here, that next sentence I am going to study, service to society, however, should also be kept in mind. We are part of the society. We need to help develop. Okay, it means that that business means just for profit we have to just only that. We should not think. We have to help. We have to give service to people. Okay, and after that, only people they are ready to come in our shop or business, they will help for us. We business person will help to the people, that and people they help for us also. So that both things should be equal one. Now here other that Vedus is giving your asking your question. One, what he is asking, what is the most essential requirement to be a successful business person? Then business person, to be a business person or successful business person, what things are necessary? Yeah, not like that. Let's say to be a good teacher also, that good teacher should be some characteristics. Yeah, that if good teacher has not their characteristics, good characteristics, then he will not be good teacher. As same as that for business person also, some characteristics should be needed. Now here that what thing is needed here, that business person is giving idea. There is not a single thing for this. Arrange must be and successful are the best pursued in business. Look there, yeah? Hard working should be, politeness should be, perseverance in that something we have to save or that, yeah, uh, there should be tactfulness, mean that we have to treat or we have to be clever also. They are the basic things to be businessman. And next thing also is giving here capital, money, investment, that, yeah, and the market are the infrastructure necessary for business. It means that business, if we start, let's imagine like this, or I'll give for you idea. In our village, if supermarket we start there, can we run it? We cannot run. So, by looking the area, how many people are sitting there, by looking or by knowing their need, how much they need, what things they need, that things we have to study for, we have to know this, yeah? And after that only we can start the business. That is infrastructure, yeah, that we should know that. After that only we can be a good business person. Now Omnika is asking there, how do you manage your personal and professional life? How do you manage? Business person is giving their idea. It's not so difficult for me. My wife helps with my business. So she understands its complexity and does not interfere with my job. My parents help us to look after our children. Look there, that it means also some ideas it gives us. Families, all this would help one and another. So that only we can be successful in any type of job. Okay? So sometimes what do we say to our parents, that parents they request for us to do something to help. We say, no, I can't eat that. I have here, I have headache, I have leg pain, this, that we say. That is not good thing. Now, let's from today, we have to be ready to have to this. Do you understand? Like this way, education make us wise, or like this way helpful, or social animals. Because we must be helpful. If we are helpful, then after that our life can run very easily, comfortably. Okay? Now let's see now next thing whatever that Vimalati has asked here. Do you think you could explain the relation between education and business? That education and business, what is the relation? Why they are needed? That Vimala asked here, and business person will give their answer. Yes, education plays the part to business. When we get education, and after that we will know that why do we have to do business. Yeah. If business we do, and by business we can earn our life very easily. We can earn something. And next thing, what you were said there, Education teaches us to do anything easily and properly. Look, now that if education we have, then whatever things we have to do, easily we can do that. And uh, properly, perfectly, it makes you practical. That practical is makes for us, yeah, that education. We cannot learn business strategies and equity without if education is not there. By by education we will get there that some idea, yeah, that how can we do business and business, how can we develop it, yeah, and how we have to behave to the other people, customers, yeah, about that one. Education it gives. Trying to manage a business without good education is just like trying to cross a deep river without knowing how to swim. Look here, this is also very good sentence is here. If we don't know how to swim, we cannot cross one that deep river. So, like saying that there must be good that education, and if education is there, after that we can do business nicely. Yeah? And now Kamal is here. If you had not been a business person, you have me to a and okay, sorry. Now again I am rejoined to you. Here that Bidu he asked here question like this, lastly, do you want to tell lessons like us? And business person gave their answer. Choose a field where you are happy to work hard. Also work to benefit the future of your country in a positive way. Like I say, it means that whatever you like for that one field you have to choose and you have to do very um, hard work. Do here. If you work there, then you can be successful for that. So that here by this interview, it has given to you ideal ideas. Now we will be successful. Business and commerce, why do we need in our life? We have got some ideas by this lesson. Now, dear friends, business and commerce is very much necessary for our life, so that we also have to make a plan, we have to work hard, and we can succeed, we can be able in our life. So that by this lesson, we understand like this, business and commerce is very much necessary. Business and commerce is related to education also, because education gives some ideas. Dear friends, today our time has completed. So Now today I am going to end the lesson. I think you have, all of you have understood the lesson. If you have any type of problem, then you have to ask me in my mobile number. My mobile number is 9860337638. Means 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. at the same day, okay? And now, again, at last, I like to request you, you have to be sure or that you have to be safe from coronavirus. You have to stay at home, be happy, be healthy, stay happily, help your parents, and you have to study hard too. Now, I have not given to you any type of homework today, but also some questions are here. There are questions you have to try to give your answer. Okay. And now, next day at the same time, I'll meet you. Remain happy and stay at home. Okay. Thank you.